Welcome to Arms Mastery. Today we're talking about something crucial for anyone serious about personal defense: carry guns. The right carry gun isn't just a tool, it's a reliable partner that offers security and peace of mind. Whether you're new to carrying or looking to upgrade, this list is designed to help you find the perfect firearm that balances reliability, comfort, and performance. In this episode, we'll be showcasing the top 10 carry guns that have proven themselves in the field. Each model is selected for its unique combination of features, from compact powerhouses to sleek, easily concealable designs. These guns excel in performance, making them ideal for everyday carry and ensuring you're prepared for any situation. Before we dive into the list, please take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us bring you the best reviews and insights in the world of firearms and personal defense. Now, let's get started with our top 10 best carry guns. Each one of these firearms offers something special, so stay tuned till you find the one that's perfect for you. Number 10. Taurus G3C. Explore the Taurus G3C, a superb choice for those who carry concealed. This compact pistol packs a big punch with a 12+1 round capacity and a 9mm caliber, ready for any challenge. Featuring a 12.2-inch barrel, the G3C is crafted for quick access and discreet carry, ensuring you can respond when seconds count. Its durable polymer frame and robust steel alloy slide are built to last, making it a reliable option for daily carry. The design emphasizes comfort and effectiveness, with a grip that fits well in the hand and a smooth trigger that supports quick, accurate shots. Safety features include manual and trigger mechanisms, adding a layer of protection. Key highlights include the 9mm caliber, which is suitable for high defense, 12+1 capacity allowing for ample firepower, 3.2-inch barrel designed for concealment and quick deployment, and dual safety systems enhancing secure use. Number 9. Springfield Hellcat Pro. Introducing the Springfield Hellcat Pro, a stellar performer in the world of compact firearms. This model is expertly crafted for concealed carry, but doesn't skimp on capacity, boasting a 15-round magazine in a slim 9mm profile that maintains ease of handling without increasing bulk. The Hellcat Pro features a 3.7-inch barrel, striking an excellent balance between concealability and performance, ideal for those critical moments when precision counts. The firearm is engineered with a focus on durability and reliability. It incorporates a robust polymer frame and a resilient melanite-finished slide that stands up to both elements and extensive use. Its adaptive grip texture and flat trigger ensure a comfortable and consistent user experience, enhancing control and accuracy. Key highlights include 9mm caliber, optimal for defense with manageable recoil, 15.1 capacity providing more rounds before needing to reload, and the 3.7-inch barrel offering excellent control and accuracy. Number 8. Iwi Mada. The Iwi Mada is a standout choice for those seeking a reliable and versatile service pistol. This model is designed to meet the rigorous demands of military and law enforcement use, yet it's equally suited for civilian defense. With a 9mm caliber, the Masada offers a robust 17+1 round capacity, ensuring you're ready for any situation with ample firepower at your disposal. At the heart of the Masada's design is its fully modular polymer frame, which is tough yet lightweight, and its striker-fired mechanism, which ensures a consistent and crisp trigger pull. The 4.1-inch barrel is optimally balanced for accuracy and maneuverability, making it a great choice for dynamic shooting scenarios. Key highlights include the 9mm caliber, which is perfect for various operational needs, the 17+1 round capacity, high for extended engagements, 14.1-inch barrel, balancing precision with ease of carry, and the striker-fired mechanism for reliable shooting. Number 7. H&K VP9SK. Step into the world of precision engineering with the H&K VP9SK, the compact version of the beloved VP9 that's perfect for concealed carry enthusiasts who refuse to compromise on quality. This pistol is a true workhorse, packed into a sleek, subcompact frame that offers surprising capacity. With a standard 10+1 round load that can be expanded to 15+1, it's clear that small size doesn't mean small capacity with the VP9SK. The 3.4-inch barrel makes the VP9SK easy to conceal and quick to draw, an essential feature for a carry gun. The real magic, however, lies in its handling. H&K's ergonomic design includes a unique grip pattern and interchangeable back straps and side panels, allowing every shooter to find their perfect fit, reducing fatigue and enhancing control during extended shooting sessions. Key highlights: chambered in 9mm, offering a balance of power and manageability; flexible capacity, ready for any situation with 10+1 or 15+1 rounds; compact 3.4-inch barrel designed for stealth and speed; and a customizable grip for a personal fit that feels right in any hand. Whether you're an everyday carrier or a weekend target shooter, the H&K VP9SK promises top-tier performance in a package that's both practical and stylish. Number 6. Sig P365. Explore the world of compact firepower with the Sig P365, a revolutionary concealed carry pistol that has redefined what a subcompact firearm can deliver. This model is not just compact, it's micro-compact, yet it boasts an impressive 10+1 capacity, which can be expanded to 12+1 or even 15+1 with different magazine options. It's perfect for those who need a small, easy-to-conceal pistol without sacrificing capacity. The P365's 3.1-inch barrel is optimized for concealment, but designed to deliver accuracy unexpected in such a small package. What truly sets this pistol apart is its incredible balance and ergonomic design. Sig Sauer has integrated a textured grip and a clean, crisp trigger pull that offers both comfort and control, enhancing your confidence and shooting precision. Key highlights: chambered in 9mm, combining stopping power with manageable recoil; versatile capacity options from 10+1 to 12+1 or 15+1 rounds; and the micro-compact frame with a 3.1-inch barrel for ultimate concealability. Number 5. FN509 Compact. Discover the FN509 Compact, a superb choice for concealed carry that expertly balances compactness with formidable capacity. This 9mm pistol comes with a 12-round magazine expandable to 15 rounds, making it versatile for both everyday carry and tactical needs. Its 3.7-inch barrel ensures excellent accuracy without compromising concealability. The FN509 Compact shines with its ergonomic design, featuring a textured grip that provides a secure hold and combat sights for quick target acquisition. The durable stainless steel slide stands up to rigorous use, making it a reliable choice in any condition. Whether for personal use or professional duty, the FN509 Compact meets the mark with its blend of performance, comfort, and durability. Number 4. Glock 19 Gen 5. The Glock 19 Gen 5 is the latest evolution of the storied Glock line, featuring its legacy as the quintessential do-it-all pistol. Ideal for both concealed carry and duty use, this 9mm handgun boasts a 15-round capacity, ensuring ample firepower when it matters most. The 4.02-inch barrel offers a perfect compromise between concealability and ballistic performance, making it a top pick for diverse scenarios. Noteworthy updates in the Gen 5 include an improved barrel for better accuracy, a more resilient finish, and a flared magwell to facilitate quicker reloads. The ambidextrous slide stop lever makes it user-friendly for both right and left-handed shooters, and the removal of finger grooves allows for a more comfortable and universal grip. Key highlights: 9mm caliber with a 15-round capacity, 4.02-inch barrel for accuracy and ease of carry, enhanced barrel and finish for improved performance, and ambidextrous controls and a versatile grip design. With its refined features and proven reliability, the Glock 19 Gen 5 stands as a top contender in the world of tactical and personal defense firearms. Number 3. Staccato C2. The Staccato C2 brings a new level of excellence to the compact firearm category. With a capacity of 16 rounds and a sleek frame, this 9mm pistol is engineered for both reliability and ease of carry. It features a 3.9-inch barrel, providing a balance between accuracy and concealability. The Staccato C2 is crafted with precision, featuring a durable billet steel frame and a superior grip that fits comfortably in any hand, ensuring stability and control during use. The trigger is designed for a consistent, smooth pull, contributing to its overall shooting precision. Key highlights include 9mm caliber with a high 16-round capacity, compact 3.9-inch barrel for strategic balance and accuracy, billet steel frame for long-lasting performance, and it's designed for optimal ergonomics and user comfort. Ideal for those who value stealth and efficiency, the Staccato C2 is a reliable companion for both daily carry and tactical engagements. Number 2. CZ P365. Dive into the dynamic world of the CZ P365, a pistol that perfectly bridges the gap between duty and defense. This 9mm powerhouse is not just versatile, it's designed to adapt to your needs, whether on the job or for personal protection. With a 15-round capacity expandable to 17 rounds, the CZ P365 ensures you're always well equipped. The 3.75-inch barrel makes the CZ P365 ideal for quick handling, while its precision is enhanced by the innovative Omega trigger system. This feature offers a smooth pull and crisp release, crucial for maintaining accuracy under pressure. The pistol's lightweight polymer frame is engineered for endurance and comes with a stippled grip that stays secure in your hand, rain or shine. Key highlights: 9mm caliber with a flexible 15+1 or 17+1 capacity, compact yet precise 17.75-inch barrel, Omega trigger system for flawless operation, and customizable grip and convertible safety and decocking options. Whether you're on a covert mission or safeguarding your home, the CZ P365 is a reliable partner that promises performance and adaptability in any scenario. Number 1. Smith & Wesson M&P Shield plus 4-inch Performance Center Model. Discover the pinnacle of precision with the Smith & Wesson M&P Shield plus 4-inch Performance Center Model. A masterpiece that stands at the crossroads of innovation and elegance. This pistol is tailored for enthusiasts who appreciate the finer things in life, combining sophisticated design with superior performance. The 4-inch barrel on the Shield Plus not only refines its accuracy, but also enhances handling, giving you a smooth and controlled shooting experience. The extended barrel provides a longer sight radius, which, coupled with the Performance Center's fine-tuning, delivers unparalleled precision and smoothness in every shot. It offers a robust 13+1 capacity and 9mm, ensuring you're well equipped for any challenge. Details make the difference in this model. The ported barrel reduces recoil, making follow-up shots quicker and more accurate, while fiber optic sights ensure rapid trigger acquisition in various lighting conditions. The flat-face trigger is a game-changer, providing a crisp, clean break that enhances your control and shooting consistency. Key highlights include 9mm caliber with a generous 13.1 capacity, 4-inch barrel for enhanced accuracy and stability. It's also tuned to the Performance Center for an exceptionally smooth action, ported barrel and fiber optic sights for optimal performance, and advanced flat-face trigger for precision firing. The Smith & Wesson M&P Shield Plus Performance Center model is not just a firearm. It's a symbol of commitment to excellence, designed for those who demand the best in both functionality and aesthetics. I hope you enjoyed the video and our list of the top 10 best carry guns. Please tell us in the comments which pistol caught your eye and why. Don't forget to like the video and share your favorite gun as well. Your feedback helps us bring you the best content. Thanks for watching and stay safe.